It's my first time here. Quite like the format. I think we'll be coming again. So all that is good. I like the size of it. So it's small enough that you can still dive into a real discussion. I think there's a lot of innovative thoughts that I gathered today, and I think it's serving as well in terms of putting our ideas out there. It's a very diverse picture that we're seeing. I mean, we have a strong feeling about what the next things are that are going to happen. I think support is going to be a huge topic as the devices get more and more complex. Trying to provide some kind of service that can handle these devices for mortal end users is a big challenge, and I don't think the full awareness of that is there yet amongst MVNOs. I think a lot of the business is still treating the new devices like the old devices, while I think they're just much more complex, much more advanced, and the services that will need to be offered are also getting more complex and more advanced, and somehow trying to put all that together. So that's the real story from my side. I think, of course, the whole MVNO industry is trying to look for new market trends, which it's just a difficult one because I mean it's a very competitive market and there's no money lying around basically. I'd very much like to hope that we've moved further along the line, so that we, right now there's a lot of prototyping going on, pilot solutions and so on. I think so we'll see more mature solutions next year. Tricky one for my part of the pie, because I mean we're not an MVNO ourselves. We are an enabler for the MVNO market. So it's not really something. I mean we think. I mean, today is the big battle between the Apples and the Googles and the traditional players in terms of who runs the customer relationship. And I think what we want to see, what we want to enable, is MVNOs to provide a service as compelling as Google and as Apple, and really to go up the value chain. So right now there's a lot of talk about, I've got to be cheap and I've got to somehow be more cost effective, but I'm only tapping the low level of the whole revenue chain. So you need to build a compelling solution where you move up that revenue chain and you get some more income per user further up on the chain. No, I think it's a good event. I think it's a good format. I like the size, fundamentally. I like the size. I mean, the MNO Summit is just too big. This is a good size to really go into in-depth discussions with people. You meet a lot of the good players. There's a good quality of people here in the first place. So I mean, I think that's why it's a success for us, and I think we'll come again. So wouldn't recommend it to anybody unless we were going to do it ourselves.